Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street words. Today's word is contingent liability. This is an obligation that may result from, say, a lawsuit that a plaintiff won against a public company. These are important for you to understand when you own a public company, and I'll give you an example. Let's say Johnson & Johnson gets an award against it for, say, $5 billion. The jury's kind of a runaway jury, but now there's a contingent liability out there in the universe that may affect Johnson & Johnson. Ultimately, this liability has resulted in, say, a $100 million payout, but at one time the award was for $5 billion. It was a contingent liability. Generally, these contingent liabilities can be contained, but ultimately they can get out of control like it did for the asbestos industries in the 80s, 90s, and now with the current settlements out there and the funds out there for asbestos, some companies went bankrupt over these contingent liabilities. The word is contingent liability. Hey, do you want to learn more about Wall Street words, Wall Street terms, and things that can possibly help you make money? Click any of the cards on the screen. Always great things happening here. Please subscribe and pound that bell if you want to get alerted.